After completion of the introduction and nomenclature of aldehydes, then today we are going to discuss about ketones. So generally ketones with carbonyl group, that is C double bond O. So both aldehydes and ketones with carbonyl group C double bond O. In ketones, these valencies are satisfied with both alkyl groups. So if it is R and it is R, both are alkyl groups of same groups, this ketone is a simple ketone. This ketone is simple ketone. For example, carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, these two valencies are satisfied with different alkyl groups or different aryl groups. For example, it is R, it is R dash. So these are the mixed ketones. Same alkyl or aryl groups are present. These are the simple ketones. One is alkyl group, another one is aryl group. Or both alkyl groups are different, aryl groups are different, is called mixed ketones. So the next one is nomenclature of the ketones. So then compounds, common names, and also IUPAC name of the compounds. So the first compound is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Its common name is acetone. So its IUPAC name is propanone because it is ketone. On, neath eth prop, prop plus on, propanone. So then second compound is CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So common name is, so it is C double bond O ketone functional group. It is the methyl group. CH2, CH2, CH3. It is the propyl. It means simply N-propyl. It is methyl, and C double bond O is ketone. So methyl N-propyl ketone. So then IUPAC name is, actually to give the numbers of the carbons, is the first carbon, it is the second carbon. So second carbon with ketone group, it is 2 on, it is the 2 on. So long chain is neath eth prop but pent. So then pentane 2 on, it is the IUPAC name. Next another compound is CH3, CHCl, C double bond O, CCl, Cl, CH3. So now it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon. Same as left to right, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So it is the functional group. Next carbon is alpha carbon. So it is also alpha carbon. So it is alpha, alpha, it is alpha dash. So then alpha, alpha, alpha dash. 1, 2, 3. 3 chlorines are present. It is trichloro. So then diethyl ketone. So then CH3 ethyl, CH3 ethyl. So then its common name is alpha, alpha, alpha dash trichloro diethyl ketone. So then IUPAC name is, so it is first carbon, it is second carbon. Second carbon with 2 chlorines. Third carbon, fourth carbon. Fourth carbon with 1 chlorine. 2, 2, 4 trichloro. Trichloro pentane. Neath eth prop but pent. Pentane 1, 2, 3. 3 on. So 2, 2, 4 trichloro-pentane 3 on. It is the IUPAC name. So next compound is CH3 taken twice, C double bond CH, single bond C double bond O, CH3. So its common name is mesithyl oxide. So then it is simply written as CH3 taken twice is the CH3, it is CH3. So then double bond, it is functional group, it is substituent. So then it is first carbon, It is second carbon with one, third carbon with ene, fourth carbon with methyl. So then 4 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent. It is 3 ene and 2 one. Second carbon with one, third carbon with ene, fourth carbon with methyl. So the next compound is, it is the cyclic compound. So it is functional group, it is alpha, it is the beta. So beta carbon with methyl group, it is beta methyl meth eth prop but pent. It is cyclostructure, so cyclopentanone. So then IUPAC name is, it is first carbon, second carbon, it is the third carbon. Third carbon with methyl group, so 3 methyl cyclopentanone, 3 methyl cyclopentanone. So these are the nomenclature of some ketones. So then after completion of the nomenclature of the ketones, then we are going to discuss about structure of carbonyl compounds. Now structure of carbonyl groups. So then structure of carbonyl group. So both aldehydes and ketones with carbonyl group. What is carbonyl group? So simply it is C, it is a double bond, it is a O. So then it is third valency, it is the fourth valence. So now this carbon is involved in sp2 hybridization, because double bond only consider the one bond, second bond, third bond. So it is the sp2 carbon. So it is the carbon with sp2 hybridization. Actually carbon with 4 hybrid orbitals. In these 4 hybrid orbitals, 3 hybrid orbitals involved in sp2 hybridization. Third orbital is the pure orbital. So pure orbital involved in formation of the pi bond. So then it is involved in sidewise overlap, then formation of the pi bond. So then it is the carbon act as electrophile. So then carbon, it is act as electrophile. So electrophile means it act as Lewis acid. It is the simply Lewis acid. So then oxygen is nucleophile. So nucleophile means it is Lewis base. So then actually if sp2 hybridization is present, bond angle is 120 degrees. So then in this molecule, bond angle is nearly approximately 120 degrees. So now the shape of the molecule is trigonal coplanar. It is the trigonal coplanar. So in this, the bond angles, 2 bond angles are present actually. So it is, for example, it is H. So then HCO. Now the bond angle is HCO. Bond angle of the HCO is greater than bond angle of the HCH. So bond angle of the HCH. Why? Because its bond angle is more comparatively this one, because wherein it is single bond, it is the double bond. So the repulsion between single bond and double bond is more comparatively single bonds. So HCO bond angle is greater than HCH. So it is simply structure of the carbonyl compounds. Generally in carbonyl compounds, it is the carbonyl carbon involved in sp2 hybridization. Carbon with 4 orbitals. In these 4 orbitals, 3 orbitals, what are 3 orbitals involved in formation of sigma bonds. Involved in formation of sigma bonds. So then it is one sigma bond, it is sigma bond, it is sigma bond, it is also sigma bond. So then remaining one orbital involved in formation of pi bond or sidewise overlap. So it is the pi bond. It is the pi bond. So generally carbonyl carbon. So it is the carbonyl carbon act as electrophile. Electrophile means it is Lewis acid. So then carbonyl oxygen. It is the carbonyl oxygen act as nucleophile. It act as Lewis base. So the shape of the molecule is trigonal coplanar. The bond angle is approximately 120 degrees. So then in this structure, 2 bond angles are present. One is HCO, second one is HCH. HCO bond angle is greater than HCH because the bond angle in HCO is greater because the repulsion between sigma bond and pi bond or single bond and pi bond is more comparatively to sigma bonds. So it is the structure of carbonyl